Hi, thanks for stopping by. When you're shopping for a car, you've got lots of questions, right? Well, you've come to the right place.
So where do these cars come from?
Our cars all come from well-known, well-established franchise dealerships in and around Houston. The kind of names you know: Momentum, Sterling McCall Lexus, Sewell Infiniti, to name a few. They take trade-ins and we buy them at auctions all over the Houston area. Our owner knows how to pick them. He's got a keen eye for quality and value. He's been doing this for over 20 years.
But how do I know the car I want does not have some kind of mechanical problem?
Who wants car trouble? We sure don't want it in the cars we sell, and we do everything in our power to steer clear of any car with any sign of mechanical flaws that could lead to problems down the road. Our CEO himself runs a Carfax report on every car, making sure it's got a clean history.
So can I have my own mechanic inspect the vehicle?
Absolutely. We only ask that you make sure to return the car to us before the end of the business day.
Do your cars come with warranties?
We offer a variety of warranty options you can choose from to fit your price and needs. And we're confident you'll find we provide our customers with the best coverage plans nationwide.
Why should I choose Auto Shopper over the other guys?
Oh, that's easy. Our cars and our people. That's what makes the difference. Your trust and our reputation mean everything to us, and we work hard to protect them. That's what keeps our customers coming back. So check us out online, and when you're ready, we'll be waiting for you here at our physical location on Kirkendall off I-45 North in Houston. Happy shopping. We look forward to meeting you.